We are a young company that is willing to go the extra mile to earn your business. ReadyDig is an exclusive XCMG dealer in Colorado. We're also opening a dealership up in Atlanta, Georgia. XCMG is the third largest construction manufacturer in the world.
The XCMG is just something that we're not seeing here in the US yet, but in terms of quality and the product line that they offer, they're absolutely going to be the premier manufacturer in the US here in a couple years. One key thing that we can actually do is we can tune these machines to the customer's liking. So we do a lot of programming and control on the control side for the customers to kind of make the machines fit their application.
At ReadyDig, we have an extensive product line focusing all the way from wheel loaders to excavators, mini X's, rollers, skidsters, all under one OEM, which sets us apart from a lot of the other competitors. So we have one set of techs that know the product from inside and out.
XCMG uses the best components from Kawasaki pumps, ZF transmissions, Cummins motors and all their heavy equipment, Kubota and Yanmar engines and their compact equipment.
People would purchase an XCMG over other major manufacturers because of the value. It is a high quality manufactured machine that can do the job at a very good value.
What sets our rental fleet apart at ReadyDig is we have a new fleet. We're rolling that out every year. Average fleet is 12 months. Average hours is 300 to 500 hours. We have 2 different locations, Sedalia and Hudson. For all your rental needs, reach out to them and we'll get you taken care of.